Hello, in today's video I'm gonna unbox the XIAOMI Smart Camera C701. So as you can see right here in front of me, there is the camera, and we'll unbox it, we'll see what's inside. As you can see, it works with Alexa and with Google Home, which is pretty cool. If you use these, if you use Alexa or Google Home, they will that will be pretty useful. We'll see everything about it in just a moment. Let's first open it up. So I'll cut the little tapes right here. Let's get it open. And the first thing is gonna be this little box, and inside of here we can find a few accessories. So there is going to be a wall mount, which comes pretty handy if you want to mount it on a wall. This is an inside camera, so it is recommended that you mount it inside, but you can still mount it onto a wall if you need. It comes with also a charging cable, a power cable, because as I believe it doesn't have a battery inside, so you need to plug it in anyway. And it is a USB type A to probably USB type C. I'll actually go ahead and check that. So we just know. Okay, so yeah, this is the USB-C to USB-A, and you also get a brick, a charging brick, which is great to have that. This is a 10-watt brick, just enough to charge your camera, but also to charge your phone. Maybe not the fastest, but for the camera it's exactly what you need. And then we have a booklet of some user manual and warranty notice. Then the last thing you can find here is this sticker that you can slap on your wall to be able to correctly drill the holes for your wall mount. So that is also very useful to have a template like this, so you don't have to draw the holes yourself. Now, the next thing in the box that you get is the camera. In the camera, and the camera is the only thing left. So let's get it out of this cardboard. And this is what the camera looks like. It is able to rotate 360 degrees and move up and down a little bit. It has a microSD card slot right here, so you can save the recordings onto your SD card. And you can see here on the back it is being charged with a USB-C. It has a button right here. I mean charged, powered, because it doesn't have it doesn't have a battery. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. If you like, you can check out all the other videos that we have on the channel on the camera. So if you already have it, you can see some tutorials. One more thing is that it records in 4K HDR, as it says right here, so the quality will be quite good, not like these old bank cameras that you can't really see anything on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.